Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to send colored messages in Gmail Spaces on your PC with the new updates. This feature is a fun way to add a splash of creativity to your chats. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features we'll be using. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This icon opens the Google Apps menu. Click on it to see all the options available to you. From this menu, select Chats. This will take you to the chat interface where you can manage all your conversations. Now turn your attention to the left side menu and click on Spaces. This will show you all the different spaces you're a part of. Find the space where you want to send a colored message and click to enter it. Once you're in the space, focus on the text bar at the bottom of the screen where you normally type your messages. Look for the Formatting Options icon, which allows you to customize your text. Click on this icon to open up various formatting features. Now you'll see the option to change the text color. Choose the color that fits the mood of your message. Whether you want a vibrant red for excitement or a calming blue for a more relaxed tone, the choice is yours. After selecting your desired color, type out your message in the text bar. This is your chance to get creative. Whether you're sharing good news, giving updates, or just saying hi, colored text can make your message more engaging. When you're satisfied with your colorful message, simply press enter to send it. Your chat partners will instantly see your vibrant message, making the conversation more dynamic and fun. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send colored messages in Gmail Spaces. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your digital communication. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.